What's up, guys? It's been a while, but I'm back with a fun and a little sophisticated recipe for you today. Lobster ravioli in a shrimp cream sauce. First, I wanted to show you guys how to prepare the lobster tail to be baked. If you're using fresh lobster as I did, you're going to take the lobster tail and bend it back and forth as you see me doing here. This helps to loosen the shell a bit, and we are going to cut right down the middle. After slicing it, you'll want to carefully loosen the shell a bit to expose that juicy lobster meat. Once the lobster meat releases from the shell, pull it up and lay it on top of the shell like this, and that's it. Now this next step is optional, but I believe in seasoning every layer of my recipes. So here I took a bit of room temperature butter, some garlic, seasoning blend, fresh parsley, dill, and lemon juice. And you are going to stir until it becomes a bit of a paste like this. That's why using room temperature butter works best. And once you have stirred it and all of the ingredients have combined, you're just going to smear it over each lobster tail. Lastly, I topped the lobster tails with Cajun seasoning and baked at 425 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. Do note that these are not fully cooked through. When we get later into pulling the cream sauce together, they will finally cook through them. Alright, let's peel and devein the shrimp, being mindful to keep those shells. In a sauce pot, I added some leftover celery, carrots, garlic, and the shrimp shells and a little bit of water and brought to a boil. Let that simmer and we will come back to that later. Let's prepare the cream sauce by starting with a little olive oil, garlic, and shallot. I love shallots, y'all, and stir until fragrant. Here I poured some white wine and allowed that to reduce about 30 seconds or so, and add in the salted butter, the shrimp, and stir. Pour in the heavy whipping cream, a little bit of the strained shrimp stock, fresh mozzarella, and Parmesan cheese. Now is a good time to prepare your ravioli since it'll only take a few minutes. While the pasta cooks, let's finish this delicious and rich sauce. By now the sauce should be simmering, so I added in fresh diced tomatoes, the chopped lobster we prepared earlier, and gently stirred one last time. Finish the sauce with a bit more fresh lemon juice and herbs, and y'all, I could literally drink this cream sauce, okay? I've listed the ingredients below, but for the full recipe, visit the link in the description bar. Until next time, y'all.